Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Witcher 3 black screen easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type GeForce Experience and now once you're here, go to drivers and then check for updates, and if you find any update, just download it and then install it, and after that just close this window and go to Task Manager. Click memory to see application that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and end task, and then end all the tasks that you don't need, and after that your problem must be fixed, but you know what they do before closing them. And after that just start The Witcher 3 and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.